So apparently Akol Anthony has been welcomed with a war dance, a truly traditional dance known as Otole, is a war dance by Atiak community. This, I think, is a response to Zake on their beef, their tension, because Zake was also seriously welcomed by the people of Mitiana, who donated for him a lot of goodies, most especially farm products like labolo, DL, and a lot of more things. So this escalation is serious. We still don't know when the beef is gonna stop, but looking from the things, I think it may be still far from over, as all these two giants are trying to flex and show their power.